Hello everyone, today I am going to talk about one of the biggest problems faced by English learners, job seekers and even educated people. Spoken English confidently and fluently. Many people believe that fluent English is only possible if you join some expensive classes or buy some costly courses. But that is completely wrong. You don't need money to improve your English. You need daily practice, confidence and right method. So in this video, I will share powerful and completely free ways to improve your English, fluency and confidence. And if you follow these methods consistently, your English will definitely improve. So watch this video till the end. First of all, stop being afraid of making mistakes. This is the biggest reason why people can't speak English confidently. They think, what if I speak wrong English? What if people laugh at me? What if my grammar is incorrect? But listen, nobody becomes fluent without making mistakes. When a child learns to speak, the child makes thousands of mistakes. Still, slowly and naturally, the child becomes fluent. The same thing applies to English learning. Don't wait for perfect English before speaking. Speak first. Improvement will come automatically. It will come naturally. Now let's talk about the most powerful habit, thinking in English. Most people first think in their native language and then translate it into English. That makes speaking very slow. Instead, start thinking directly in English. For example, while eating food, say in your mind, I am having my lunch. While walking outside, say, the weather is nice today. I need to buy some groceries. I am going to improve my English. Small sentences are enough in the beginning. You do not need difficult vocabulary to become fluent. Simple English spoken confidently sounds better than complicated English using very difficult words. Now let us discuss listening practice. If you want to speak English fluently, you must listen to English on daily basis. Because fluency comes from consuming as well. The more English you listen to, the more naturally your brain understands pronunciation, sentence structure and speaking style. And today everything is available for free. Watch English YouTube videos, podcasts, interviews, movies with subtitles. But do not just watch for entertainment. Use a technique called shadowing. This method is extremely powerful. In shadowing, you listen to one sentence and immediately repeat it exactly like the speaker. For example, if the speaker says, confidence comes from practice, you repeat, confidence comes from practice. Try to copy the speed, tone, pronunciation. This single method can improve your speaking skills very fast, believe me. Now another important thing, speak alone. Many people say, I have nobody to practice English with. But honestly, you don't need a partner to start speaking. You can practice alone in front of a mirror. Talk about your day. Talk about your goals. Describe what you have seen around you. For example, today I woke up early. I am trying to become more confident. I want to improve my communication skill. Mirror speaking improves confidence because you become comfortable speaking in English. At first, you may feel a bit shy, but after a few days, you will notice improvement. Now, let us talk about vocabulary. Many learners waste time memorizing difficult words. I also made the same mistake earlier. That is unnecessary, I would say. Even native speakers mostly use simple and common words in daily life. Instead of learning rare words, separate words, focus on useful sentences and phrases as well. For example, how was your day? What do you mean? I agree with you. Could you repeat this for me? I am working on my communication skill. And also learn collocation because they make English natural. For example, gain confidence, make progress, take responsibilities, improve communication skills. These combinations are commonly used for fluent English speakers. Now, let us discuss confidence. Most people already know basic English. Their real problem is fear. They are scared of being judged by others. But remember one thing, every fluent speaker was once a beginner. Nobody is born speaking perfect English. Confidence comes from practice, not perfection. So stop overthinking and start speaking from today. Now I want to share a simple daily routine with you. Morning, listen to English for 20 minutes. Afternoon, learn 5 useful sentences and repeat them loudly. Evening, practice speaking in front of a mirror for 10 minutes daily. Night, think about your whole day in English before sleeping. That is enough. You don't need expensive courses for learning this language. You only need consistency. Another powerful method is recording yourself. Use your phone and record your English speaking. Then listen carefully. You will notice your mistakes, pronunciation issues and pauses. And after 1 or 2 months, when you compare your old recordings with the new ones, you will see the progress. That improvement will boost your confidence even more. Now let me tell you the biggest secret. Consistency is more important than motivation. Many people practice for 2 days, 3 days and then quit. But language learning is a long-term process. Even 30 minutes daily can change your English if you stay consistent. Don't focus on speaking perfect English in 1 week. Focus on improving little by little every single day. and one day you will realize that you are speaking English naturally and confidently. Before ending this video, I want to tell you something very important. Never feel inferior because of your English. English is just a language, not intelligence. Your talent and your hard work matters more. English is simply a tool that can create better opportunities and stronger communication. So, start from today. Start with small sentences. Start with making mistakes. But start, because confidence comes only through taking actions. If you found this video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe to Humming Space. Thank you for watching.